Show them your room now. This is our room. Kuya is still preparing our beach lounge bed. We have our own pool. Marco, where are you, Marco? We're celebrating Marco Kui's birthday here. He's hiding from you guys. Oy, be careful. Like a butchuki Kuy. Nak, be careful lagi sa corners. We have the coffee and tea station, safety deposit box. Oops. Christmas wrapper lagi gift ni Marco. Christmas man lagi ni Ma. Oh, we got a bathtub. His and her. Ay, his and her ade. Only his and her. His or her. And the shower room. How about here? Ooh, we got outside access from here. Rain shower. If we came from the pool. Hala! I said be careful. What's the meeting about?